Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get free land from Heroland and let hero mine on that free land. First, you access the Heroland app. Then select the launch app. In this step, you need to log in to your MetaMask wallet. So you have successfully logged in. You check your free land at My Land. To see where your land is on the map, select View on the map. You choose Update Info to update your land information. Next, to start farming, you choose My Land. Next, to start farming, you choose My Land. Choose your land. Then choose Hero to choose one hero you want to mine. The rarer the hero, the faster the mining ability. I will choose hero with common rarity to start farming. And so the system confirmed the mining process, and here are the parameters. You can also change other heroes when mining. This is the end of my video tutorial. Thank you guys.